This Makita 12 volts max CXT Lithium-Ion brushless top handle jigsaw kit delivers fast and efficient cutting. With a compact design that's engineered for ease of use and maneuverability, this features a top handle design and is ideal for woodworkers, cabinet makers, remodelers, and general contractors. The kit includes two 12 volts max CXT Lithium-Ion slide-style batteries for improved balance and ergonomics over pod-style batteries for added convenience. The batteries include an onboard LED charge level indicator. This has a compact and ergonomic design with less weight, only 4.1 pounds, with 12 volts max CXT 2.0 Ah battery. The efficient Makita-built brushless motor is engineered for longer run time, increased power and speed, and longer tool life. The variable 5-speed control dial 800 to 3000 RPM enables the user to match the speed to the application. And the 3 orbital settings plus straight cutting provide added versatility. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. The soft start suppresses startup reaction for better accuracy. And the no-load speed reduction feature automatically reduces SPM for more accurate cutting starts. Convenience features include tool-less blade changes, large 2-finger variable speed trigger with lock-on button, dual LED lights, and a built-in dust blower to clear the line of cut for a longer run time. All 12 volts max CXT cordless tools are also compatible with the 12 volts max CXT Lithium-Ion 4.0 Ah battery. 12 volts max CXT Lithium-Ion batteries are engineered with a battery protection circuit that protects against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12 volts max CXT series, combining performance with superior ergonomics in a compact size. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Makita-built brushless motor and 3 orbital settings plus straight cutting deliver faster and more accurate cuts in a variety of materials. Number 2. Variable 5-speed control dial 800 to 3000 SPM enables the user to match the speed to the application. Number 3. Soft start suppresses startup reaction for better accuracy. Number 4. The no-load speed reduction feature automatically reduces SPM for more accurate cutting starts. Number 5. Efficient BL brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer runtime per charge. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.